Here you see the problem. The grid line of months are not matching with the monthly sales data. These are the points that are representing the monthly sales data, and these are the grid lines of the month. So this is the grid line of January 23, but you see the value of January 23 is not on the grid of January 23, and similarly for the other months also the same issue is being observed. Do you also face this problem while making charts? Today we will see how to solve this. Here is a table that shows the monthly sales value of a company. Now we will create a chart out of it. We'll go to insert, and from here we will select one chart that will represent the monthly values of each month. See, here is the same error that we were talking about. The axis of January 23 is here, and the value is not on the same grid. You see here, although these are being shown as January, February, March like this, but these are actually a date. If you note here, it is 1st January 2023. So the first thing that we will do is to get the numeric equivalent of this date. Each and every date in Excel has a numeric equivalent, and that you can get like this. So in this cell, I am referring to the value of this cell, and it is January 23. Now I will change the number format here and will make it numbered. As soon as I make it a number, then you see the number equivalent of this January 23 has come, 44927. So I don't need these zeros after the decimal point. To copy this formula and go to the last date that is given in your table. So this is the first date and this is the last date. I will need a chart where the range will be 1 month before January 23 and 1 month after the December 23. So here we will get that. 1 month means 30 days. So to get the date of 1 month before January 23, we will simply minus 30 from the numeric value of January 23, and for the last date of the range, we will add 30 to the last date of the table. So here we got two values, 44897 and 45291. Our range of the graph will be based on these two figures. Right click on the date axis, that is the x-axis. We will go to the format axis option. Here is the format axis option, and here is the axis option in which you have to specify the minimum and the maximum bound of your chart. We have got the minimum bound as 44897 and the maximum bound as 45291. So we will put that dates here. So in the place of minimum, this will be 44897. That is 1 month before the starting date of your table, and this will be 45291, which is 1 month after the date, the last date of your table. So you can see that the axis got changed based on this, and now we have to change the units. What is a unit in a graph? That is the difference of the 2 points on the x-axis. So here we will do what? We will put 1 month. Now what is 1 month? That is 30 days, and that is the another error that we do when we deal with Excel charts. Actually, there are 365 days in a year. In the leap years, there are 366 days. So if we divide the 365 divided by 12, then we get 30.42, not 30. And here also, we have to give the major unit as 30.42. So like that, we have given here. And you can see that now the values are exactly on the grid lines. Now for better presentability, what you can do is to select the x-axis, go to the size and properties, and change the text direction for better readability. You can put the values here by right-clicking on the curve and clicking on Add Data Levels. You can select these data, go to the level options and scroll down click on the above option. So these values will be shown above the points and will be better readable. So thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel and share the video as much as you can. Thank you.